everyone, welcome to Crochet and Honey Vlog, and for today's video I will show you how I crochet this crown for Labubu. It's a very simple crown. You can make it for your other dolls, amigurumi dolls, and you can also make it taller. You can easily adjust this crown. All right, so for today we will need a yarn of your choice. I will use the milk cotton yarn, 2.5 mm hook, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. And let's begin. First, we do a slip knot. Okay, again, let's do that. One and then we chain 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 39, 40, 41, 42. And we join using a slip stitch on the first chain to form a circle. Okay, so slip stitch for that, stitch, and then we do chain 1 and single crochet on the same stitch. The chain 1 will not be considered as a single crochet. So single crochet 42 all the way around. Single crochet is pull through 1 and pull through 2 loops. On the next stitch, pull 1 and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So we do 42 of this. And I will meet you just before we end the row. So I will pause now. So we're almost at the end of the first row. A few more single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 42. 42. And then slip stitch on the first single crochet. And then we do 3 chains, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and on the same stitch do 1 double crochet, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 double crochet on the same stitch. So that's all in one stitch. 1 and 1 more. Now we skip 2 stitches. Skip 1, 2. On the third we do a single crochet, and then double crochet. Skip 2 again. Skip 2 stitches and double crochet. 2, 1, 2, and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet, 2 double crochet. So this is how it looks like. All right, and then we skip 2 stitches again, 1, 2, and single crochet here. Then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and double crochet here. 1, 2, and 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 double crochets. And then again skip 2. So this is the pattern that we keep repeating. Okay, this one, skip 2, 2 double crochets on the third. That's the pattern. And chain 4 and 2 double crochets again and single crochet. 1, 2, skip 2 and single crochet. And we keep repeating this pattern until we reach this part, and the last stitch will be a single crochet. All right, so double crochet, 1, skip 2 and double crochet. And 2 double crochets and 1, 2 single crochet, 1, 2 and 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and 2 double crochets. Let's see how it's looking so far. Okay, and single crochets and 2 double crochet on the third. 1, 2, so we're almost at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 double crochets, single crochet is the last. Oops, single crochet, and we slip stitch on the third chain. 1, 2, 3 on the third chain, we slip stitch and fasten off, or okay, so after the single crochet we pull and cut here. We will weave in the ends to have a seamless join. Get your darning needle and as we always, how we always do our fastening off, we join on the second stitch, which is the double crochet. On top of that, put your darning needle there and slip the needle here. All right, okay, so that we have a seamless join. And then we weave in the ends here. Let's weave it. And you can tie a knot also. Let's tie a knot just to make it secured, and then weave in a few more. Right, and then we can cut the ends. This one we crocheted over it, so we'll just cut the end here. And there it is, our crown for your Labubu. All right. There it is. Hope you enjoy this video tutorial. If you have other amigurumi dolls, you can also make a crown for them, and you can adjust the number of stitches. It doesn't have to be exact. In case there's an extra chain or stitches here, you can simply single crochet behind. All right. And guys, I hope you take the time to like this video, and also please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Next time I will show you how to make this Labubu headband that has a big bow. There you go. It's a cutie. And I can also show you how I make a pink dress, which is this one, how I crochet. Only we have an even shorter dress like that, you see? So please subscribe, and I hope you watch out for my next videos. And if you have the time, please do write a comment also. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are doing great, and please take good care. Bye. Say bye.